Hi, I'm Paula Pasquale and I'm here at the Tonic Studios booth at Creativation 2018, and I'm going to show you a quick technique how to make backgrounds with the Aqua Flow pens. So I'm going to take the Aqua Flow pens, and they are soft barrel here. It's got watercolor ink inside it, non-drip valve, and then that soft nylon brush end. Because of the soft barrel, you can just press down and get a lot of ink into your card. Now I'm using different colors that are more or less nearby in the watercolor wheel to create a blended background. These inks are, as I mentioned, water-based, but they are non-permanent, so you can always reactivate them with more layers, even if when it's dry. And squeezing and then letting little drops of color. Now the card that I'm using is Ultra Smooth from Craft Perfect by Tonic Studios, but you can use any non-glossy card. Now I'm just putting some drops of water in here, and you can see the marbling effect coming, blending those colors together. If you want to lift a little bit of the color, you can do that using a dry kitchen paper towel or a baby wipe. So I'm just gonna, and it creates a sort of faux bleach technique in there. Now if you want to add a lighter color, you can do that. That high concentration of ink means that the color will remain, and also you can then add, if you take it away, the lighter color that you have put the last, it will even become more concentrated. So you can see how kind of clean that yellow becomes. And there. You can also create those faux bleach technique with the water mist. This is the Nuvo water mist, and I just fill it with water, and then look at how beautiful those water. This is so mesmerizing. So you can, if you put more water, the color ink will flow together. If you just do a lighter mist, that kind of beads of water it's just so beautiful. Now if you want to add a little bit of shimmer, you can use the Aqua Shimmer. Now it comes in the glitter gloss, which is that transparent glitter, and also now we have got the new MEADOW Touch, which has got a beautiful gold sparkle. I'm going to put a little bit of drops, and you can see this one is the glitter gloss, so that is that beautiful sparkle. Now all the Aqua Flows in the colors are matte, but then if you can mix them with the glitter gloss to create that sparkle coming through. And then I want to use some of the new Nuvo shimmer powders, which are beautiful mica powders with pigment in there. They have got a very fine nozzle, so you can just make sure that you have just very easy to apply the powder to your creations. Now I'm just tipping, I'm not squeezing, I'm just tipping in the bottle, and you can see how the beautiful pigment comes through. It's pearlescent, it's not glittery like the shimmer, and it has got a pigment, so you can see how new colors are creating in there. And this is one of the easiest way that you can use them, and you can create beautiful backgrounds with different colors. So you can see more or less how I just created those ones really easily, and just so much fun. And then what I do is I just take a die cut, a beautiful die cut, put it on the top, and there you have it, a beautiful background. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.